Hey, what's up? Hope you're doing well. It's John with Be Superfly, the designer and creator of Charly. Thank you for downloading Charly and purchasing it. If you're a member and you got Charly as part of your membership, thank you for being a member. Really appreciate you. All right, in this video, I'm going to install Charly and install the demo so that our site will look like the demo site here. So right now I have an empty WordPress site. There's no pages. I have the Divi theme installed. And so I'm going to go ahead and add my child theme here. This one's called Charly Demo Import.zip. Yours might be, it's going to be named something else because it's going to be on the Amazon server, but the file that you download, that zip file, that's what we're going to upload here. Great, I'll go ahead and install it. Then I'll activate it. Cool, great, it's in here. Now what I want to do is I want to import the item. So I'm going to hit Easy Demo Import. I'm going to leave all these the same. There's one recommended plugin here, Custom Body Class. I'll leave these checked. This all looks good. I'm going to hit Import Demo Content. Don't need this anymore. So what it's doing is it's importing all of the pages from the demo site, the blog posts, images, layouts, all that great stuff. Okay, thank you for installing and importing. Check out your new homepage. Before you do that, though, I'd go ahead and remove the demo content and import functions. We're not going to need them again. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. That gets rid of that item over here. We see it got 3 posts and 7 pages here. So let's go to the settings and make sure our settings reading here. Okay, yep, it's set that. The other thing I like to do is I like to go to the permalinks and I just like to resave them. After you import a child theme, it's just good to do that. All right, let's go to our site and see what we have here. And there we are. We have the menu set up with all the pages. All looks good so far. I even brought in some of the theme builder layouts here. This is a little interesting. That's a little different than but these are sample blog posts, so you can easily just delete that. Let's go to a different page here, Home Alternate. Yep, this all looks great. And so now you're able to log into these pages and keep what you want, delete what you want, edit things to your liking, and make sure it grabbed the single post layout, and it did. Let me go to the work page and make sure that it grabbed these projects here. Great. Yep, that all looks correct. Awesome. And then on the original demo site, I will have, well, and you'll have them too if you import the tutorials. There will be more tutorials on this page on how to edit certain aspects of Charly. And so be sure to check the tutorials page either on the Charly, the official demo site, or after you import, there'll be a page here for that. All right, cheers, y'all.